Welcome to Wheels and Wings, your trusted source for detailed reviews, expert insights, and all things that move fast on land and in the air. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Cadillac CTS, a luxury sedan that continues to redefine American elegance and performance with its sleek design, advanced features, and powerful driving dynamics. The 2026 Cadillac CTS makes a bold return with refreshed styling and a performance-focused spirit that reflects Cadillac's continued evolution into a modern luxury brand. With its low-slung silhouette, aggressive front fascia, and sharp LED lighting, the CTS exudes sophistication and speed. The body lines are more sculpted than before, giving it a leaner, more aerodynamic profile while still maintaining a muscular stance. Cadillac has updated the grille design and added new color options and wheel designs to keep the sedan looking fresh and competitive. Under the hood, the 2026 CTS offers a selection of powerful engines tailored to suit both comfort seekers and thrill enthusiasts. The standard model is expected to feature a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine delivering strong acceleration and great fuel economy. For those looking for more punch, a 3.6-liter V6 variant is available, offering a smooth yet forceful performance. There are also whispers of a high-performance V-Series trim, which could include a twin turbocharged V6 or even a V8, promising exhilarating power for the enthusiasts. All engine options are paired with a responsive 10-speed automatic transmission, and buyers can choose between rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations depending on their needs. Inside, the 2026 CTS offers a cabin experience that feels both modern and luxurious. Cadillac has taken a step forward in materials and craftsmanship, featuring hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, and metallic accents throughout. The seating is designed for comfort and support, especially on long drives, with available options for ventilated, heated, and massaging seats. Rear seat space has been slightly improved, offering more comfort for passengers without compromising the sporty layout of the vehicle. Technology is at the heart of the 2026 CTS, starting with a large curved OLED display that combines the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into a seamless unit. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice controls, and integrated Google Apps for navigation and entertainment. An upgraded AKG premium sound system delivers a studio-like audio experience, making every drive immersive. Additional features like a heads-up display, wireless charging, and ambient lighting help create a high-tech and premium feel. Safety has also seen significant improvements. The CTS now includes an array of advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving system for highways, offering one of the most advanced semi-autonomous driving technologies in the industry. The 2026 Cadillac CTS manages to blend style, luxury, and performance in a way that stands out in the competitive midsize luxury sedan market. Whether you're commuting through the city or hitting the open highway, the CTS promises a refined and dynamic experience that reflects Cadillac's ongoing pursuit of excellence. Thanks for watching this detailed review of the 2026 Cadillac CTS. If you enjoyed the video and want to keep up with more reviews, features, and updates from the world of cars and aviation, don't forget to subscribe to Wheels and Wings.